The One Eyes All Dog Clippers Low Noise is a versatile grooming kit designed for both small and large dogs, cats, and other animals. With its low noise operation and 2-speed settings, it provides a quiet and efficient grooming experience for pets, minimizing their anxiety during grooming sessions. The rechargeable cordless design offers convenience and flexibility, allowing you to groom your pet anywhere without being tethered to a power outlet. The kit includes a trimmer shaver and various attachments to cater to different grooming needs, ensuring precise and professional results. Its sleek gold design adds a touch of elegance to the grooming process. Overall, the One Eyes All Dog Clippers Low Noise is a reliable and user-friendly solution for pet owners who want to keep their furry friends looking their best with ease. The Dog Nail File Toy is a multifunctional pet accessory designed to address various needs. It serves as a scratch pad for dogs, satisfying their natural urge to scratch while also functioning as a nail file. When dogs use the scratch pad, it helps naturally wear down their nails, preventing them from becoming overgrown and potentially causing discomfort or injury. This dual-purpose product offers convenience for pet owners by combining 2 essential grooming tools into one. By providing an appropriate outlet for scratching behavior and promoting nail maintenance, the Dog Nail File Toy promotes your pet's overall well-being and keeps them comfortable and healthy. It's a practical and enjoyable solution for both pets and their owners, offering enrichment and grooming benefits in one compact package. The Kitely Dog Car Seat Cover is a premium solution designed to keep your car clean and your pet safe during travels. Crafted with durability in mind, this cover is 100% waterproof, protecting your car's interior from spills, dirt, and pet hair. Its anti-scratch material ensures that your seats remain in pristine condition, even when your furry friend gets excited. The inclusion of a mesh window allows for ventilation and visibility, ensuring your pet's comfort and reducing anxiety during car rides. The non-slip design prevents the cover from shifting, providing stability and security for your pet. Suitable for cars, trucks, and SUVs, this versatile hammock-style cover offers full coverage for your back seat, keeping your pet cozy and contained while preventing distractions for the driver. With the Kitely Dog Car Seat Cover, you can enjoy worry-free journeys with your beloved companion. The Rabbit Goo Dog Harness is a premium quality accessory designed to provide maximum comfort and control for your large canine companion. Crafted with durable materials and thoughtful design features, this harness ensures both safety and ease of use during walks and outdoor adventures. Featuring a no-pull design, the harness includes 2 leash clips to distribute pressure evenly across your dog's chest, discouraging pulling behavior without causing discomfort. The adjustable straps and padded vest ensure a snug and customized fit, allowing for freedom of movement while preventing chafing or irritation. Enhanced with reflective strips, the harness offers increased visibility during low-light conditions, enhancing safety during nighttime walks or in dimly lit areas. The incorporation of an easy control handle allows for quick restraint or assistance when needed, providing added security and peace of mind. Constructed from high-quality Oxford fabric, this harness is both sturdy and lightweight, providing durability without sacrificing comfort. The breathable mesh lining promotes airflow and helps to keep your dog cool and comfortable during extended wear. Available in a sleek black color and size large, the Rabbit Goo Dog Harness combines style with functionality, making it a versatile and practical choice for pet owners. Whether you're strolling through the neighborhood or exploring the great outdoors, this harness ensures that you and your furry friend can enjoy safe and enjoyable outings together.